Hey guys, what's up? It's been a long time. We've been staying busy, having fun, and spending time with family, and just kind of haven't been doing a whole lot of off-roading and adventuring lately, but looking forward to taking an off-road trip in the near future. Just wanted to make a video real quick, updating everybody on the new bumpers that Mom got on her Gladiator. Got around to installing the rear bumper a few weeks ago, except for one backup sensor that is eternally back ordered thanks to the part shortage. The rear bumper is complete. This is a LoD rear bumper and a LoD shorty front bumper. It's kind of a stubby, kind of a mid. Still has some nice coverage on the front next to the grill, but kind of gives you that shorty bumper feel, stubby bumper feel. I like the pre-runner front hoop. We haven't decided yet on a winch for the front of the Mojave just because the spring rates, the shocks, the bypass settings on the height. I know if you fool with the positioning of the front suspension, you can really kill the ride on a Mojave. So it's a lot to think about, and we're debating whether or not to put a winch on it after all, or just leave the bumper the way it is. But love the design. It really sets off the Jeep, matches the texture. It looks like it was made for it. LoD's products are so high quality. The welds, the installation, everything is really, really top notch. Tires are still performing wonderfully. Mom is loving her Jeep. The black looks so pretty when it's clean. The rear bumper has really nice side protection. I wasn't expecting this. I was expecting kind of a normal steel rear bumper coming around the corners, but on the Mojave, you know, from the factory, you don't get that side protection for the bed, which is a little bit of a bummer. You get so much more in the suspension category in the Mojave than the Rubicon, but you do miss the rear bumper side protection. So this bumper covers that nicely with a heavy steel piece. Really follows the contours and is high clearance, and a very robust mount also to the frame. Bolt on, heavy gusseting. It'll take some hits. Very, very well designed, and it also flows directly into a ramp under the under part of this bumper, so you're not looking to hook yourself on the rear bumper if you do end up dragging this on a rock. It should be a pretty easy slide up and off. And I like how LoD has this flat plate on the bottom of this bumper that kind of deflects when you're sliding over, deflects things to the right. Also can work as a step if you end up not having a camper. That works nice as well. Rear backup lights, just got some pod lights, some LEDs that provide some great illumination for taking the trash out at night, doing any work. And if you overland, have some extra lighting on the back of the Jeep. Never hurts. But all in all, that's the only thing that's really changed on the Jeep. The camper is still working great. I'll make a separate video on the ARE topper just to kind of go over some of the features and the Bedrug that we decided to go with inside. But 35-inch tires, stock suspension, bumpers, everything's working wonderfully on the Jeep. It pulls daily duty, hauling farm supplies, feed. It does everything we need it to do, and it rides great. Hope y'all have a great day. Enjoy this beautiful weather that's coming here in the south in Texas. If you live around here, it's finally starting to feel like spring. Hope you guys have a great week and a great day. Thanks. Bye-bye.